celebrity makeup artist Ash K Holm, and I want to talk to you guys all about the latest trends that are happening right now. And all summer long, we're going to be seeing the color pink, and I have a feeling pink is here to stay. So you can do this trend on the eyes, cheeks, or lips, and it's all about just doing a pop of pink. And you don't have to do this on every single feature. You can make this a moment just on the cheeks, lips, or eyes, but however you decide to do it, it's really important that you elevate this look. And how I always do that is with Falscara. So Falscara is basically salon lash extensions, but the DIY way. So it's all about bringing the salon to your home. And it's super easy to do. It literally takes minutes. I'm wearing the cat eye shape right now, and it took me 3 minutes, and I was literally out the door this morning. They're weightless, they're bandless. You can customize them, stack them. You can do them any way that you want. And a great thing about this is that you can be a beginner, or you can be someone that's a makeup lover and is more experienced with your makeup. Anyone can do Falscara at home. Falscara is actually the #1 lash extension kit in the US. So that is incredible. No one can top Falscara, and it's at an incredible price point too. So you're gonna save so much time and so much money doing this on your own and just picking up a pack from the store. And you know, I work with women that have an image that they have to keep up with, and it's really up to me to help them maintain that. And I always feel like I can count on Falscara to help me do so because they have so many different types of varieties of wisps that come in natural wispy lengths, that come in more elongated. I can customize them, stack them. I can think about the client's eye shape and also the eyeshadow that I'm gonna do and how I would make this more of a moment. And I know I can go to Falscara every time to do so, and they always tell me every time, I can't feel them, they feel weightless, and they just look seamless. When you look down, there's no band. So I always know that when my client is walking a red carpet, I am never gonna have to worry about a lash lifting in the inner corner. You know it's happened before, and it's just that. So it's super seamless. I feel at ease when they're walking a red carpet, and we also have 4 new styles. So we have the cat eye shape that I'm wearing right now for a more elongated wispy lash look. And then we have the mocha wisps that are more of a rich brown that you can wear. And it's great if you have a lighter color hair. And then we also have the D curl and the L curl, which are just gonna give you 2 different styles of curled lashes. You can find every single wisp style at falscara.com along with these 4 new styles here. We also have the starter kit right in front of me. This is great if you want an introduction into Falscara. It pretty much has everything that you need to get acquainted with Falscara. It's $19.99. You can find it at CVS, Walgreens, Rite Aid, and Ulta, so it's an incredible value. And then we also have the special edition kit. This one is my absolute favorite because you get the overnighter solution, and then you also get the remover. It's $24.99. You can't top that. And you can find it at Walmart, Target, H-E-B, and Ulta.